Have you ever wondered what a small bird's nest, built twig by twig, teaches us? Can the small steps in your life also come together to create a story of great success? Let us learn from this inspiring tale. A bird is a living example of hard work and patience. From morning to evening, it collects twigs for its nest. Every time the wind blows and destroys its nest, instead of giving up, the bird starts again. Its dedication teaches us that no dream is impossible if we take small, consistent steps toward achieving it. Now think, how often does it happen in our lives that we fail at something, but do we try again like the bird, or do we give up? Success never comes overnight. It is the result of the small efforts you make every single day. Imagine you are preparing for a big exam. On the first day, you might feel the syllabus is too long and impossible to complete. But if you study a little every day, this seemingly impossible task can be completed in just a few months. Just like a bird builds its home, twig by twig. Remember, small efforts lead to big changes. Just be patient, don't give up, and keep doing something new every day. So, the next time you feel discouraged about a big goal, remember the bird's story. Tell yourself, I can do it too, I just need to keep adding one twig at a time. Now it's your turn to think. Are you ready to bring about big changes through your small efforts? If yes, don't forget to comment the bird's determination. And for more such inspiring stories, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you like this story, share it with others and inspire them too.